How do? GGBO 21. Hi, I'm Chris. Welcome to King Bespoke Creations and another GGBO Great Guitar Build-Off. Very exciting. I'm going to give you two great big announcements today for my Great Guitar Build-Off. I'm going to be entering the scratch build competition. So not the kit. I'm not an invitee, as fully expected. So we're going to go for a full scratch build on this one. Announcement number one. I'm going to do this as a hand tool only build. That's right, Ben Crow's been promising one of these for years, hasn't he? And never delivered. Well, you're going to get one here. Or at least an attempt of one. I might epically fail. You'll have to watch and find out. So all I've got to do now is figure out what I'm going to build. Now obviously with using hand tools, I should probably just go around the nice, smooth, flat surface, paint it a lovely colour and make it shiny. We're not going to do that, are we? No, of course we're not, because we love carving. That's what we're going to do. So the carving chisels are without doubt coming out again this year. You may have seen last year's entry from me. It's this one here, the Protection Strat, and everybody seemed to like it generally, and the hand tool parts of that certainly got lots of lovely comments from you, so thank you very much for those. So lots of that coming up again, but what to do this year? Oh, do you know what? I've really got to think.
Maybe I could carve the statue of David.
I think recreating the world's greatest statue by one of the world's greatest artists that ever lived is probably a bit of a stretch to put on a guitar, don't you think?
Maybe I could make it look like a classic motorbike, like a Ducati or an MV Agusta.
Well, there are some beautiful lines on a motorbike, but maybe not for this one.
Maybe I could make it look like an handplane.
No.
Hang on a minute. They look like Admiral's buttons.
Admiral's buttons. Admirals. Ships. Old ships. Sunken ships. Let's grab an iPad and design something, shall we? Well, I'm going to start with a meteora shape because it's fabulous and just tweak it a little bit. Put a little wave on that top horn there. And then, yep, definitely sunken ship. Shipwreck thing going on. Caused by the Kraken. And I think some of the tentacles for those, 3 of those could be the volume and tone pots. Which order they come in, I'm not entirely sure just yet. Do we have 2 volumes, 1 tone, 1 volume, 2 tones, split ones? We'll decide on that later. Now the shipwreck itself will obviously have a mast on it. Now we can use that mast to help anchor the string points. Anchor, do you get that there? It's good, isn't it? Now this may be going a step too far, but I think we might put a figurehead on the end of the headstock. What do you think? Good, bad, who knows? Well, there's the design. What do you think? Well, I would love to know your comments on those. Do you think it's even possible? Can we make all of that in the relatively short space that we've got just with hand tools? I might have bitten off more than I can chew here. Right, so that's going to be coming up fairly soon. I've still got this Archtop build to do, so if you haven't seen any of those, I'll put the playlist link down in the description. Make sure you click the subscribe button so you get all the updates on that and everything that's coming at you from the GGBO 2021. So, until next time, sharpen your tools, and I'll see you soon. God bless.